Welcome to Aeroplane Stretches episode. This class is very needed for those who traveling a lot, including myself. So let's get started. To release the tension in the hips and lower back, place one leg on top of another. Try to place it at a 90-degree angle and bend forward with a flat back. Repeat it as much as you need, and sometime just hold it so your glutes in your back have a nice time to relax. Breathe in when you go up, exhale when you go down. Repeat it on the other side. Pay attention on the knee. The knee should be tracking to the side, and the tibia bone should be parallel to the floor. Keep your back flat and create extension from your tailbone, your lower back, and all the way up. You do not need much of a space for this stretch. You can straight do it from your seat. The next one will be for the back pain relief and the back fatigue relief. Just simply hug your knees underneath and start around your spine from the lower back, then middle back, all the way up towards your shoulders. And meanwhile, look down. Inhale, reach up and decompress, stretch your back, and start exhaling, tilting to each side, creating a gentle massage for your spine. Then exhale with the cactus arms, connect your shoulder blades. That will help to activate your upper back, and then bring your elbows to touch. Inhale up, exhale cactus. Repeat these circular motions for a few times and then get back to the spine stretch by hugging your knees under and around your back. You will feel a nice relaxation in your neck as well. Find the space between the seats. First leg, the front leg is 90-degree angle, and then you can grab something or maybe just put your hands on the floor and stretch your hip flexors. Tilting on the side will help to increase the stretch. Again, help your back to loosen up and create a blood flow in your abdominals and your spine. Repeat this for a couple times, and then we're going to do the mountain pose. Legs are parallel, back is flat. You're trying to reach with your navel towards your legs and keeping your back absolutely flat meanwhile. Round up slowly and open your legs for the horse position when your knees wide open to each side of the airplane, and create a squats. You don't need to go as low as I do, but even a tiny bends in your knees will help to release the tension and create blood circulation. Always repeat stretches on both sides, even if one side feels tighter. It is important for equanimity and alignment of your body. So the front leg again, 90-degree angle, the foot is pulled on the floor, and start tilting to the side to increase the stretch in your lower back. Slowly push yourself back up, keep your feet parallel, and lean down with your torso. Here I'm just bending my elbows. As you see, the position of my spine does not change. Always keep yourself nicely relaxed while you're doing those stretches. Next time, we're going to try to touch elbow and knee together. So this is the direction we're going. That will help you to activate your torso, your transversus abdominals, your stomach. Inhale, arms up, stretch up, and exhale. The tightest spot from the extensive sitting is usually our hips and lower back. This is a standing figure 4 or a standing chair when we're placing one leg on top of the other knee and squatting low, bending forward, increasing the stretch in the hip area. It feels really good. Trust me, you will feel so much better. Now bring your knees together and squeeze them tight, toes touch, and start lifting your heels up, and then go in a little chair, sitting down. So lift your heels, drop them down, and squat. 10 times or so will be enough for you to start feeling rejuvenated, but if you feel to do it longer, please go ahead. We're going to return to the sitting position, and here sit comfortably, keep your back straight, start to simply lean to one side, and exhale while you do this. One little thing in this exercise to make it more effective is to press sit bones into the chair. So when you are tilting to the side, you are not automatically lifting the same hip off the chair. You press on it even more to create that extension. That should feel really, really good. Now we're just simply gonna lift heels up and down, and create circular motion in our wrist. It's again just for us to activate all the joints in the body to create a beautiful flow. Place your hands behind on the exhale. Just simply round down. On the inhale, extend the chest. And do not push yourself too much here. The weight of your arms is enough. Then start creating a simple twist without pushing your head down intensively. Just keep the weight of your arms. That's all. Keep your hips on the same level. Don't let them move with your torso. Inhale, regroup, arms up. Hug yourself tight, lift up shoulders, and then drop them down, creating a long neck. And start tilting ear to the shoulder. Do this each time. You will feel more open in your neck. Our necks are getting tight in the sitting positions as well. And then we're going to start creating rotations and trying to touch the shoulder with our chin. Exhaling each time when you are turning to the side. Then simply relax and enjoy your flight. I hope that was useful. Don't forget to like this video and follow my channel.